Hello everybody, this is Lorraine from Canada, and we're going to have another Verbling class. This one is a beginner's class. I hold it on Mondays at this time, every Monday, so if you are looking for beginners classes, you can always find one here at this time. So I'm welcoming everyone, and this class is going to be about what you do in your free time, and we're going to study the adverbs of frequency. How often do you do this? Do you do this every day, every week, every year? We'll be talking about adverbs of frequency. So we're just waiting for people to join the class, and then we can get started. I will be sharing a worksheet with you. I will do it in screen share, but also you can download it. I will post it in the chat again. I'll do it right now. There we go. So if you want to download the worksheet, then you can follow along using that. So we're just waiting for some people to join us, and then we can get going. And there are some viewers. That's good. So hopefully soon people will be able to enter the classroom. It costs just a ticket to come on in, and we'd like to see a full class if possible. It's always more fun with more people. Great. So we're starting to get some joiners. Super. And Glady, hello. Glady, are you there? Glady, I don't hear you. Hello, Alpha Pilot. Nice to see you. Okay. Lady?
Hello, Lorraine. How are you?
There you are. Great. I'm very well. How about yourself? Are you good?
Okay. Thanks for it.
Good. Excellent. Well, it's nice to see you. Sometimes I see you join my
Nice
chat,
to see you.
but not always in class.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes. Today.
And so, okay, we got somebody else here. Mahu Leventar, hello. Mahu.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good. And how do you pronounce your name so I say it right?
Mahu.
Mahu? Mahu,
Yes.
Great. Where are you from, Mahu?
I'm from Portugal.
From Portugal. Oh, very nice. Is the weather nice in Portugal today?
Yes, more or less is well.
Good, good. Here in Canada, it is very cold. So I am looking forward to warmer weather. Okay, well, we have Glady and Mahu. And
hello.
Yeah, that's good. I'm just waiting for a couple more people to join. We have lots of people watching, but it would be nice to have a couple more people join the class. So don't be shy. Come on in. Okay. If when you are in the class, if it is noisy in your background, it would be good if you mute your microphone until I talk to you. And then when you answer, unmute. Okay. All right. Well, I don't want to wait too much longer. We have lots of people viewing and only 2 people who have joined. So don't be shy. Come on in and join us. And we're going to get started. Do you have the worksheet, Glady and Mahu? did you get the worksheet? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, and Glady as well? Good. Okay, I'm going to do the screen share with it as well. So here we go. Hopefully. There it is. All right. This way we can put the answers on the worksheet together. Okay. So we're going to look at different types of things to do during free time. Glady, what do you like to do during your free time? Do you have a hobby?
I like to sleep.
You like to sleep?
Sleep.
Okay.
Yes, I love sleep.
Very good. Mahu, what about you?
I like play football.
To play football. Okay. So let's put some names to these different kinds of activities for free time. In number one, Glady, what do you think this young man is doing? Choose it from the words that are at the top of the page. Can you see the worksheet? Yes?
Number one?
Yes, number one. What is
Yes,
he doing?
play the guitar.
Yeah, play the guitar. Mahu, number two.
Play the guitar.
Go
Yes.
go jogging.
Yeah, go jogging. Okay, great. Glady, number three. Glady? Glady, are you there? I'm not getting her.
Number three, it's go shopping.
Yeah,
Go
go
shopping.
shopping. Go shopping. Whoop.
Yes, go shopping.
Good. Yes, correct.
Hello,
Super.
Lorraine. Can
Yeah,
you hear me?
I can hear you, yes. Can you
Hello?
hear me? Glady, can you
Go
hear me?
shopping.
Yes. Okay. Glady, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can hear you.
Good. Okay. Okay. Super. And we have Sofiane here
Yes,
now.
Lorraine,
Hello.
I can hear you. Hello.
Yes, Glady, you might be, do you have the Verbling window open? Because I think you're getting a delayed. Sofiane, hello?
Yes, I hear you, teacher.
Oh,
Hello.
good. Hello, welcome. Where are you from? Where are you
Yes.
from, Sofiane?
I'm from Tunisia.
From Tunisia. Excellent. Can you see the worksheet on the screen?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, good. What are the people doing in picture 4? Whoops, that's...
I see people playing music.
Okay, in number 4, what do you think they're doing?
They spend their time maybe in garden.
Okay, all right. So in the words that are at the top of the page, what set of words or phrase seems to fit this picture the best? What do you think?
Or maybe go jogging, meet friends. No.
Now we already have go jogging here. Meet friends? Yeah, I think so. These seem to be some friends sitting and talking. I think this is meet friends. Good, thank you. And then we have Paula, hello? Paula, are you there? Paula, make sure that your microphone is not muted. Okay. Mahu, let's do the next one. What do you think this person is doing?
Number five is
Yes.
cook.
Number 5 is cook?
Yes.
You think so? I don't think she's cooking.
No.
Maybe not cooking. What is she doing?
Watch TV?
No, look at her ponytail on her hair.
Go to the gym.
Yeah, that's right. Go to the gym. Good, thank you.
I can see well the picture number 5.
Yeah, okay. Well, you got it anyway. Good for you. Lady, what is this person doing in number 6? Lady, are you there?
Number 6 is Luigi.
Could you say that
Yes. Luigi.
again? Reading.
Hello, Lorraine.
Yes?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Reading, yes. Okay, so we just have read.
Yes, I can.
Just read. Okay, good. Thank you.
Yes.
Paula? Paula, are you there? Paula, I see you, but I can't hear you. Make sure that your microphone is working. Paula, if you can hear me, can you type "I can hear you" in the chat for me so I know you can hear me? Okay. So, Sofiane, in number 7, what do you think this man is doing?
Hello.
Okay, hello, Paula. Good. I hear you now. Good.
Relax in the
Yes, you're correct. Relax on the... What does it say there? Can you read it?
And
Can you say that, Paula? Relax on the beach.
yes.
Please say it. Okay. Sofiane, number 8, what is this person doing?
playing ski.
Yes, skiing.
Skiing.
Say skiing.
Okay.
Say it one more time, Sofiane, please. Skiing.
Say, person here is going to skiing.
Skiing, yes. Go skiing. That is a strange English word with 2 I's together. Skiing. Good. Okay, and we have Alexi. Hello. Alexi, I can't hear you. Make sure your microphone is not on mute. There.
Hello.
Now I hear you. Excellent. Good. Have you been following along? Can you tell me what the person in number 9 is doing?
Okay. Number 9.
We're choosing from the words at the top of the page.
Travel.
Yes, travel. That's right. Good.
Travel.
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 Very good. Thank you. Okay, Sofiane?
Yes.
Okay, number 10. What are they doing?
I don't think
What are they doing?
they speak, but about what?
I don't
I'm
think
gonna,
they're
I'm gonna
speaking.
guess.
What's this in the background? What is on the wall there?
There is a picture.
It's not a picture.
So maybe watch TV.
That's right. Watch TV. They're watching TV.
Seems to be a picture, sorry.
Yeah, it is a flat screen TV mounted
Yeah.
on the wall. Yeah,
It's
good.
modern TV.
Yeah. Lady, what is the person doing in number 11?
Number 11 is send email.
Yeah, send email. How it's put there. Write emails, okay. All right, super. And Mahu, number 12.
Cook.
Cook, yes. Super, thank you. All right. So the next, okay. We're going to read a dialogue about Richard and Julie. Richard and Julie work for the same company, but they have very different lifestyles. Let's read their conversation below. Okay, so Alexi, I want you to be Richard, and Glady, you are going to be Julie. Just read one line each. Julie or Glady, go ahead.
Okay, so what do you do in your free time?
Okay, and Alexi, answer as Richard.
Well, I often watch TV in the evening. What about you?
Good, thank you. Okay,
I go jogging.
Glady, we're
I go
going
jogging and I sometimes meet friends.
I'm sorry, Glady. We're going to let somebody else do the next two lines. Okay, thank you. Mahu, you're going to be Richard.
Okay.
Paula, you're going to be Julie. So go ahead, Paula, read for Julie. Paula? Paula, make sure you're not on mute. I can't hear you. Okay. We have Lilianette. Hello? Are you there? Lilianette? Lilianette, are you there? Please answer if you can hear me. If I'm not hearing you, so write in the chat if you hear me. Oh, we're losing people. Okay, Glady. You will be Julie for us. Glady? Okay, thank you. And
Okay,
Mehu, you will answer as Richard. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I am Julie?
Yes, please.
Hello,
Yes,
Lorraine.
yes, you are, Glady. Go ahead.
I go jogging and I sometimes meet friends in the evening.
Okay, good.
I go jogging and I sometimes meet friends in the evening.
Good. Mahu, please answer. What does he say?
Okay, how often do you go jogging?
Okay. Alexi, read the next line for Julie.
For Julie?
Yeah.
But it's her part.
Sorry?
How often do you go jogging? Or
Okay.
not?
I'm sorry. You're correct. How often do you go jogging? Good. Lilianette, are you there? Oh, that's too bad. Sofiane, please read Julie's part. The next one.
I go jogging every morning. And you?
Okay, good. Paula, are you there? Okay. This is too bad. We're not getting too many people who are able to speak. Okay. Alexi, read for Richard.
I hardly ever go jogging. Maybe once a year.
Good. And Glady, Julie?
Do you cook?
Mahu?
No, I never
Richard.
cook. I always order pizza. And you?
Oh, okay, good. Sofiane? Read for Julie
I
there.
I cook every day. I love cooking.
Okay, good. Paula, are you there? Okay. Lilianette, are you there? No. Okay, Glady.
Oh, Lorraine, I can't read.
I know, I have to, many people cannot talk. I'm not getting them to talk, so we need to read through this.
Okay, but
Okay.
I can't see
Oh,
the
you
part
can't
of
see the
that.
screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Do you have the worksheet? Did you download the worksheet?
No, I can't see, sorry.
Please download the worksheet and then you can read it from the worksheet. Okay?
I am trying.
Okay. Alexi, can you read it?
How often do you travel?
Okay, good. And Sofiane, can you answer?
I travel twice a year. In winter, I usually go skiing. Do you travel?
All right. And Paula, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
So read for
every
Julie.
every summer I relax on the beach, but I rarely travel in winter.
Winter. This word is rarely. Say rarely.
Rare,
Everybody can. Rarely.
Rarely.
Good. Okay, good.
rare. Yeah.
Rarely. All right.
Rarely.
Okay, so we're going to put
Really.
these words that are in bold in this chart. So never is when it does not ever happen. It's zero. It does not happen. And always is something we do all the time. So we always breathe. We always breathe. But we never jump off a cliff. Or at least I hope we don't. In between, we have sometimes. Sometimes I go to the beach. Okay. Now we have some other words like, let's see, we'll go to the first one. Often. Richard says, I often watch TV. So which side of sometimes do you think often belongs on? Which side? Closer
Right
to
side.
always?
On the
Okay.
right side, I think.
Okay. And do you think it should be right after sometimes or right before always?
Before always.
Okay. Does
No, no.
Before
everybody
always.
After
agree?
sometimes.
After
After
sometimes.
sometimes. Okay. So there is another word. Let's look for it. Okay, so we have often and sometimes and usually. Usually is another word that goes to the right of sometimes. So is it often here and usually there, or the other way around?
I think usually often.
Okay. So some people think, all right, who thinks this one should be often? Alexi?
Mm,
Just say a yes or no.
mm, it's hard question.
Just pick one. It doesn't really matter. We'll get the answer in the end.
Okay. Okay. Usually.
Okay, you think it should be usually here. What about you, Glady? Often or usually here?
Usually.
Okay. Lilianette, are you there? No? Okay. Mahu, what do you think? Often or usually?
Often.
Okay. And Paula, often or usually here?
Um, um, Usually.
Okay. And Sofiane, what do you think?
I think it's often usually.
Okay.
If I
Yes,
should
the
be my
the
opinion.
ones who picked often and usually. Often can mean something that you do, but it's not all the time. Usually, it is something that tends to happen. Like, I usually have a beginner class on Wednesday, but not always. So it's very close to always, but not quite always.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
You say I usually have a class.
Yes.
Once a day.
Okay.
And I say, on the contrary, I have. I often have a class. No. I often have classes. Twice a
Okay.
day. Twice a day.
That works. It is
But
it's some
it is more closer to always. My.
yeah, I can see what you mean. English speakers, when they are talking about things that are part of a routine, where the routine happens most of the time, then we say usually. So as long as nothing else happens to prevent it, then whatever our routine is will happen. So that is usually. It is part of my routine to do so. Often is when we are not talking about a routine. It's something that we do, maybe as often as we can, but there is no routine. So I often go to the beach, but it has to do with how warm the temperature is. I will go if it's warm, but I won't go if it's not warm. So that's when I use often. It's not part of my routine. Usually is a routine that happens unless something else gets in the way. Does that make any sense? Does that help?
Yes.
Okay. All right. These are hard because it is not something that is exact. It is just the common way English speakers use these words. Okay, so if you think of it in terms, usually is when there is a routine that happens. Often is when there is not a routine. It's just something that you will do and you enjoy doing, but it isn't part of a routine. Now, we have the same thing that happens on the other side of sometimes. Between sometimes and never, we have what words? Sofiane, what's one word that's in bold in our dialogue that is between never and sometimes?
Hardly ever.
Yeah, hardly ever. And the other one, lady? Not, well, never is the other end. Rarely. Rarely. Yes, rarely.
Yes.
Okay. So, which one goes where? Hardly ever and rarely. So, who thinks hardly ever goes to the right of, like right beside never?
I think.
I do.
Okay. All right. So that is how it works. We won't go hardly ever and rarely. Okay. These ones are even harder to make the distinction. Hardly ever and rarely often get used interchangeably, one for the other. I hardly ever go to the cinema. Or I rarely go to the cinema. They mean so similar. It's so similar. If you use one instead of the other, it is not going to be a big problem. Okay. Are there any other questions about those?
No.
Okay, good. Okay. So we're going to look at the rules for using adverbs of frequency. Okay, Alexi, can you read the first sentence for me, please?
Use adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, rarely, etc. to answer the question, how often?
Okay, good, thank you. And Glady, the second sentence?
Yes. Mm. Oh my God, I can't see.
Okay, I'll go on then to, oh, we have a few more people in. That's great. Mahu, can you read it? Can you see it?
What part?
The second sentence, please.
Okay, adverbs of frequency go before all verbs, except be. For example, I always go shopping on Sundays.
Okay, so go shopping is the verb, always comes before the verb. Okay, good, thank you. Paula? Paula, can you hear me? I'm not hearing you, Paula. All right. Sofiane, can you read number 3, please? This one.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
adverbs of frequency go after the verb be. For example, I am never late for school.
Okay, so we have our to be verb here, I am, never. I am never. And in this case, it's before. Go shopping is the verb, always comes before the verb. Okay, good. All right, now it gets a little more tricky. I want you to make a sentence. The first sentence, for instance, is I read in the morning. And our example, they gave us, I hardly ever read in the morning. I want you to decide what is true for you about reading in the morning. Is it something you always do, you never do, or you sometimes do? So you're going to make up a sentence. We'll start with Alexi. Number 1. So we're going to change I read in the morning to something that is true for you using an adverb of frequency.
I never read in the morning.
Okay. And we
I
have...
don't read at all.
Okay, that would be true then. Juan?
Yeah.
Juan, hello. Welcome to class.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, for number 2, can you make a sentence using an adverb of frequency about skiing that is true for you? Juan, are you there?
Yeah. I said I never go is skiing in winter.
Okay. Good, thank you. And Lead, hello, welcome.
Hello, teacher. Thank you.
I'm glad to see you. In number 3, I meet friends in the evening. So can you make a sentence that is true for you?
I usually meet friends in the evening.
Okay, good. Excellent, thank you.
Okay.
And Lilianette, are you there? Oh, too bad, I can't hear you. Mahu? Whoops.
Okay. Number 4.
Yes, number 4.
I am never late for my English lessons.
Okay.
Is that true?
Okay. Let me see. I got some stuff going on here that is confusing me. What happened here? I lost my screen share. What happened to it? There we go. Okay, and who's next? Paula, are you there?
I always, well, never.
Okay.
I always emails in the morning.
Okay, I always write emails. Good, thank you. And the last one, Sofiane?
Yes. I'll say for hang.
Yes. Sofiane, are you there?
Sorry. I'm going to speak, but it looks like I'm muting.
Oh, I hear you now.
Okay, so are you going to choose a word that...
Yes, you're going to choose an adverb of frequency about being hungry in the evening. Are you rarely hungry in the evening? Are you always hungry in the evening? Sofiane?
Oh. Okay, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm rarely hungry in the evening.
Good. Good, thank you.
Sorry, can I say I'm seldom hungry in the
Yes.
evening?
Yes, seldom is another good word. It was not part of this worksheet, but seldom is very common adverb of frequency, which is something that is very similar to rarely.
Rarely.
Yes.
Is it absolutely equal to rarely?
It is used interchangeably. I don't know if it is exactly the same, but if you use seldom or you use rarely, the person who is listening to you will understand perfectly what you mean.
Can you
Okay?
repeat it, please, teacher?
Seldom, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So if you said, I'm seldom hungry in the evening, it will be the same. Okay? Good. All right. Next. Oh yeah, how often does Richard go jogging? Who's next? Juan, are you there? Actually,
Yeah.
I think we ended up at Sufyan, so actually it's Alexi next. Alexi, can you answer the question? How often does Richard go jogging?
Yes, I'm looking.
Yes.
Looking. Sometimes. Sometimes.
In this case, we're going to use once, twice, or 3 times. So in the text, let's look and see what he says. Let's see, Richard. Okay.
Every morning. Every morning.
No, that's Julie. Julie goes every morning. Richard goes
Hardly ever.
Hardly. Maybe once a year.
yeah, okay, there we go. The once a year.
Once.
Okay, so that's the answer there. He goes once a year. Good. And then Kwan, how
Yeah.
often does Julie travel?
Oh, I don't remember.
Okay, well, we'll go back and take a look.
Twice.
Okay. So down near the bottom, Richard says, how often do you travel? And Julie says,
I travel twice a year.
good, excellent. So twice a year. All right. Now, Juan, I want you to ask Layad, how often do you go to the cinema?
Oh, really? Answer in one, twice, or 3 times?
Just read him this question, number 1.
Okay, so I can say twice a year.
Okay, Juan, what I want you to do is ask Layad, how often do you go to the cinema?
Okay. Layat? Hello, Layat?
That's okay, just say it.
How often do you go to?
Okay. Juan, I think you got muted. Try again.
Is someone is muting me?
I know.
Okay, so how often do you go to the cinema?
Layad, answer. Layad, are you there? Layad, we can't hear you. Oh boy. Oh, what a shame. Okay. Mahu, can you answer that question instead of Layad? Because I don't think he can hear us.
I answer number 1.
Yes, please.
Okay. I go often to the cinema.
Okay, we're going to answer this question with once, twice, 3 times a year, month, week, whatever is true for you.
Okay. I go to the cinema once a month.
Okay. Good, thank you. Now, Mahu, can you ask Sofiane question number 2?
Okay. How often do you eat?
I usually eat 3 times in the day.
Okay. Thank you. And Sofiane, can you ask Paula number 3, please?
Hala, how often do you travel?
Paula, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Did you hear the question?
Paul is traveling.
Paulo, I said, how often do you travel?
Um, one sec.
Paula, can you say that you travel once a year or twice a week or whatever is true for you?
Um, I um, I travel um,
Once, twice, 3 times? What is true for you?
weekend.
Okay, so I travel twice a week. If you travel on Saturday and Sunday, then you travel twice a week. Okay, good. Can you ask, Layad, are you there?
Yes,
Layad?
yes.
Oh, good. Okay. Paula, ask Layad the question number 4, please. Just read it.
The
Paula?
time or follow.
Paula. Paula,
Yes.
just read number 4, please.
I drink.
Just read it. How often? Just read.
Um,
Follow.
Okay. Let's see if that helps. Paula? Okay. Juan, can
Yeah,
you read number 4 just to Layad? Ask him
yeah.
this question.
How often do you drink coffee?
Layad?
I drink. I drink it 3 times.
3 times
Yes,
a day, a week?
yes, a day.
Okay. Good, thank you. Okay, Layad, please ask Alexi, number 5.
Alexi, how often do you take a shower?
Shower.
Or
Yes, thank you. Alexi?
I do it 2 times a day.
Okay. We are using once or twice rather than say 2 times a day, which is correct. We can also say twice a day when it's 2. Okay. I take a shower twice a day. Good. All right. So we're going to try some more of these. Layad,
yes,
ask Juan number 1, please.
yes. How often do you cook? Hardly.
Uh, I hardly ever.
Okay, you hardly ever cook. All right. Whoops, what happened there? That did not do what I was expecting. There we are. Actually, I think what, how are we going to do this? All right, so what this is it's a questionnaire to find out how healthy your lifestyle is. So I think what I would like everybody to do is answer these questions yourself. If you have the worksheet, that's good. You can choose your answers. I will give you a minute or two to fill the worksheet out, the questionnaire, and then we will take up the questionnaire and see how healthy each of us is.
Oh
Do you
my,
understand? So just in yourself, answer these questions. Okay, just take a minute or two and answer them.
Okay.
Okay, everybody.
Yes, okay, I know.
I will answer mine myself on the worksheet. There are no right or wrong answers, just whatever is true for you. Okay, when you are done answering the questions, you will notice that there is a number after your answer, depending on what it is. In this case, I answered D every day, and there's a 4. We are going to count up these numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
oh my God, I almost died.
Okay. Zandos, are you there? Shandos? Shandos? Is that how you pronounce your name? Yes.
Hello. Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is Sandos, yeah.
Sandos. Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. All right. Have
Yeah.
you been doing this exercise?
Sorry?
Did you do this exercise? What we filled out this
yeah.
questionnaire? Yes?
Yeah,
What number did you get for your lifestyle? Did you add up your numbers? You can do that now. I will come back to you, okay?
Yeah, okay, yeah. I will do now in just, yeah.
Okay, Sofiane? Oops.
Yes.
What number?
I got 9.
9?
I'm not so healthy.
Okay. Let's see. Paula, did you add them up? Paula? No? Lead?
Yes.
What number did you get?
Sorry, teacher, I don't understand. Sorry.
Okay. Kwan?
Yeah, I
What
get 7.
7. Okay.
Yeah, I almost died.
Alexi?
I've got 18.
18. Okay. All right. Lead?
Yes.
Did you answer the questions? How often do you cook? How often do you go jogging? Did you answer them?
This question, please, no?
Okay. And Paula,
Yes.
did you answer the questions and get a number?
sometimes.
Okay. So I'll show you what I did. To answer the question, how often do you cook? I said I cook every day. So I got 4 points for that.
So mine is 15. Teacher?
Yes?
My 15.
15. Okay, good.
Yeah, 15.
Good. 15. All right, excellent. And then I rarely go jogging, so I only got 2 points for that. I don't smoke, so I got 4 points for that. And I added up all my points, and I got 17. When we look at the key, if you got between 6 and 12, you're not very healthy. If you got between 13 and 17, you're okay. Between 18 and 22, healthy. Between 22 and 24, very healthy. Gotta do some muting here. All right.
So I won.
Yes,
Did I
Alexi.
won? Did I win in this competition?
Yeah, you're the winner. All right. You're
I
healthy.
can tell you my answers.
Okay, what were your answers?
How often do you cook? Every day.
Okay, good.
Every day. 3 times a day.
All right.
How often do you go jogging? Rarely.
Often.
Rarely.
Rarely, okay.
Do you smoke? Yes.
Oh, okay.
How often are you stressed? Sometimes. How often do you watch TV? Never.
Okay.
I don't watch it since I was 12.
Oh, wow. Good for
Many
you.
Very good. Do you go to the gym often?
Okay, good. All right. Now, of
Not
course,
so healthy, I think.
this does not really tell us how healthy our lifestyle is, because it does not really take into consideration lots of different things. For instance, I never go to the gym, but I walk every day. I walk at least 4 kilometers a day. But it's not here for how often I walk. I never jog, or very rarely. I do walk a lot. I always walk. Okay, so does anybody have questions about what we have been learning? Any
Just
questions?
is
Yes.
that a word in English saying frequency word saying occasionally or something like that?
Casually?
Occasionally.
Occasionally. Ah, this word, yes. That's a good word. Okay, occasionally, which is, it means on occasion. It is very similar to, what were we using before? Often.
Yes.
Yeah. Occasionally is probably less than often. I think it's closer to sometimes. Okay.
When it is possible.
Yeah, occasionally.
When I find the occasion.
Yeah, occasionally I go to the market. I don't do it often, but occasionally I do. Maybe more so in the summertime. So occasionally I go there, but in the wintertime, never. Okay, so it's a good word. I'm glad you you brought that one up. That's excellent. Okay. So, Lad,
Yes.
how often do you take verbling classes?
Sometimes when I have time, yeah.
Okay, so sometimes, excellent. Alexi, how often do you take verbling classes?
These days I take them about 5 times a day.
5 times a day. Okay, good, good. Juan, how often do you take verbling classes?
When I have the time, twice a day.
Twice a day. Good, excellent. Good use of the language. Sofiane, how often do you take verbling classes? Sofiane?
On me every time.
Can you say that again, please?
I am every time.
Okay.
Every
All right. We have to end the class here. Thank you so much for joining me for the class, and I hope to see you again next Monday at the same time, and we'll have another beginner's class. See you later, fellows.
Okay,
Thank
thank you
you.
very
See
much.
you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.